god, boys and girls, this is Tornado Gaming. Hi. Well, this is our new intro at the beginning. Boys and girls, this is Tornado Gaming. Coming back to another YouTube video. And guys, welcome. And boys and girls, welcome to part. Let's see, it's part 8? Part 7? Yeah, part 7. Part 7 of our. Walking on a flag. Girls, you go a cat. You'll love my video. Hey, cat. And Spawn saying hi. Rita. Whoa, you guys can see that? Okay, guys, if this storm gets really dangerous, I'm gonna have to go inside and film it from my room, because that's mainly the closest place. Lightning must appear in the sky. Not thunder, lightning. Lightning. Wow, look at that. Boys, you love weather? If you love severe weather, like me, you'll love this video. There's so many cats, and weather, and measurement of rain. Whoa, the storm clouds are, whoa, did you guys see that? Wow, I saw it in person. I know what you guys are thinking, like, oh, I can't see it. It's because it's a Verizon wire. Oh my god, it's just creepy. Like whenever I'm listening like this and I'm pointing down, it's like, oh no, it's nighttime. Oh no, it's big. No. No. So lucky that did not go inside. So freaking lucky. And I'm going to stay away from these little areas. And this time, please do not get on the phone. Alright, right here will be perfect. Look, it's nighttime, it's daytime. Daytime, nighttime, da-da-da. Okay, I decided that is going to be from part 7 to part 10. It's going to be part 10 again. Now. Woo! Okay, I got to stand back all the way to. Oh! Are you okay? That's easy. Hello, viewers. I am Tornado. Now, Diet CX, he makes those videos like the intro. I mean, like at the beginning, whenever he, like, right after his intro, he says, boys and girls, welcome to da-da-da-da-da-da-da, whatever. Ooh, it's starting to get bad. Oh, guys. Whoa, here comes the wind. It's like, wee, I'm taking a ride, wee! Oh no! I'm gonna fall! No! You know those Minecraft videos I make? That's actually for the kids. Boys and girls as well. Woo! Oh, there goes a leaf. Abracadabra, heavy rain must fall. Oh my god, that was creepy. Wow, it's actually kind of bad. Kind of epic, kind of bad. Whoa, that That is so dark. Oh God. I mean, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, I want to stay right here. Whoa. Woo! Like, we love you, Tornado Gaming. We love you. Whee! Wow. Now, this is kind of getting dangerous. You know why we're right here? Because it's kind of dangerous right now. Unless I could sit down without my stepmom coming out and picking out the doggies. That's perfect. Clyde wants to say hi. Oh, saw that one? I love you too, Clyde. Come on, guys, do you have a brother or sister? I mean, you have a sister? Is there a cat part? Get your sister. If you have a sister. I don't. I wish I did. Whoa, look at this. Doesn't look... Whoa. Wow. Yeah. What am I? Oh well. La-la-dee. If lightning struck the ground, that would be kind of shocking. It's shocking. I guess it's thunder like. You like me, huh? hope you kids or teenagers or adults enjoy this video. If you did, be sure to smash the like button. Now, I'll see you all next time. Goodbye.